Hello there and welcome back to Wombat Coaching. Today I'm going to dive into an amazing book that has the potential to transform your life and your KDP journey. And of course, I'm talking about Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits is a game changer when it comes to personal development. In this book, James Clear breaks down the science of habit formation and shows us how small incremental changes can lead to massive results over time. The book is packed with actionable advice, real-life examples, and practical strategies that you can start implementing right away. I highly recommend giving it a read. It's available on Amazon and all good bookstores. So just a quick note before we continue. This video is not sponsored in any way. All opinions and recommendations are based on my personal experience and research. So now, let's get back to the topic. Let's explore how we can apply some of the principles from Atomic Habits to self-publishing with KDP, focusing on both low content and high content book publishing. Principle number 1, start small. Just like building any habit, start with small, manageable tasks when it comes to self-publishing. For low content books, focus on designing a few pages a day or brainstorming book ideas. For high content books, concentrate on writing a few hundred words a day or setting aside a specific time for research. Consistency is the key. Number 2, track your progress. Keep a record of your daily word count, page designs, or the number of books you've published. This will help you stay motivated and see the progress you're making over time. Number 3, optimize your environment. It's a good idea to set up a dedicated workspace for writing, designing, and eliminate distractions. This will make it easier to get into the flow and stay focused on your self-publishing goals. Number 4, leverage the power of community. Connect with other self-publishers, join online forums, or attend local meetups. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can help you stay motivated and improve your skills in both low content and high content book publishing. Number 5, celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they are. This will help reinforce your new habits and keep you motivated to continue your self-publishing journey. Now that I've covered some of the basics, let's dive deeper into how Atomic Habits can help you succeed in self-publishing with KDP for both low content and high content books. Number 6, habit stacking. Habit stacking is the practice of pairing a new habit and an existing one, making it easier to incorporate the new habit into your daily routine. As an example, you could stack the habit of working on your book projects with checking your email or social media. This way, every time you check your email, you'll also spend some time on your self-publishing task, helping you to make consistent progress. This will make it easier to stick to your routine and increase your productivity. Number 7, implementation intentions. This is a powerful technique for turning your intentions into concrete actions and achieving your goals more effectively. It's a practical strategy to bridge the gap between what you want to do and actually doing it. Implementation intentions help you overcome procrastination, increase follow-through, and make consistent progress towards your objectives. Set specific goals for your self-publishing journey, such as publishing a certain number of low-content or high-content books or reaching a specific income level. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Number 8, the 2-minute rule. James Clear explains in his book that if a task can be completed in 2 minutes or less, you should do it immediately. This helps to overcome procrastination and build momentum for larger tasks. As an example, for self-publishing both low content and high content books, you could apply the 2-minute rule in the following ways. For low content books, if you have a quick idea for a journal or planner design, spend 2 minutes sketching it out or writing down the concept. This will help you capture the idea and make progress on your low content book projects. For high content books, if you're working on an in-depth guide or novel, you could spend 2 minutes outlining a section or writing a few bullet points for a chapter. This small step can help you build momentum and make progress on your high-content book projects. By applying the 2-minute rule to your self-publishing efforts, you can overcome procrastination, make consistent progress, and ultimately complete your books. Number 9, the Goldilocks Rule. Now, this is a principle that suggests that for habits to be effective and sustainable, they need to be neither too easy nor too difficult. Instead, they should be just right, like Goldilocks finding the perfect porridge, chair, and bed in the famous fairy tale. Find the right balance between challenge and skill in your self-publishing journey. This will keep you engaged and motivated to continue improving regardless of the type of content you're creating. Number 10, reflection and review. Reflection involves taking time to think about your habits, actions, and progress. It's a moment to assess what's working and what isn't. Review, on the other hand, is a systematic and scheduled evaluation of your goals and habits over a specific period. Reflection allows you to understand the reasons behind your habits, identify patterns, and make adjustments for improvement. It helps you become more self-aware and insightful about your behaviours. Review, which can be done daily, weekly, or monthly, provides a structured framework for assessing your habits' effectiveness and making necessary changes. It helps ensure that your habits remain aligned with your goals. Together, reflection and review create a feedback loop that helps you refine your habits over time. They enable you to make informed decisions and stay on track with your goals and continually adapt and evolve as you work towards personal growth and success. Regularly review your self-publishing progress and identify areas for improvement. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to achieve your goals in both low content and high content book creation. Now, the next one is one of my favourite rules, the 1% better rule. As explained by James Clear in his book, Atomic Habits, it is the idea that making small incremental improvements of just 1% each day can lead to significant growth and progress over time. By focusing on these tiny improvements, you can create a compounding effect that results in massive change in the long run. This principle can be applied to various aspects of life, including self-publishing, content creation, and personal development. By applying the principles from Atomic Habits to your self-publishing journey, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful and fulfilling career with KDP. Remember, it's all about taking small, consistent steps towards your goals. Once again, I highly recommend giving this book a read. It is available on Amazon in all formats and also at your local bookstores. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Wombat Coaching. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video.